Fujifilm have announced the X20, a premium compact camera that's designed to follow in the footsteps of the X10. Let's take a look at the X20's latest features.
Not to be confused with Fujifilm's X series compact system cameras, the X20 features a fixed 4x manual zoom lens, much like its predecessor, the X10. The lens construction is made up of 11 glass elements in 9 groups, and has a wide-angle maximum aperture of f2, which closes to f2.8 at full telephoto. Capable of compensating for camera shake by up to 4 stops, with an optical image stabilization system, there's no independent on-off button, so the X20 is turned on and off by first extending and then contracting the lens. Behind the lens, the X20 features a newly developed 12-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 2 sensor that's partnered by a second-generation EXR processor. This sensor has built-in phase detection pixels for high-speed focusing and is claimed to lock onto subjects as quickly as 0.06 seconds. What's more, the new EXR processor enables a startup time of just 0.5 seconds and delivers a performance twice that of the previous generation. With the removal of the optical low-pass filter, Fujifilm claim that the X20 will be capable of producing clearer images with minimal graininess at high ISO settings. On the subject of ISO, the sensitivity can be set between 100 and 12,800. To quickly change it, there's the option to use a small function button on the top plate of the camera. The optical viewfinder offers 85% coverage and is also synced to the X20's zoom lens. Being slightly offset to the lens, it doesn't give you the most accurate view, but should prove useful when composing in bright lighting conditions. It also benefits from a digital trans panel that presents shutter speed, aperture and ISO settings. This should save you having to pull the camera away from your eye when adjusting settings, and the information is displayed bright green to make it clearer when you're shooting in dark situations. At the rear, there's a 2.8-inch screen that features a 460k dot resolution and an enhanced graphical user interface. The physical dimensions of the body are identical to the X10, and it's manufactured from a strong die-cast magnesium alloy. The exposure compensation dial offers up to plus or minus 2 EV control, and the mode dial is neatly positioned alongside. There is a pop-up flash that rises from the top of the body, but if you'd prefer to use a more powerful flash, the X20 supports Fujifilm's EF20 and EF42 flash guns. As well as offering full HD movie capture at 1920 by 1080, many of the features for shooting stills are also available when movie recording. One example is the X20's film simulation modes that simulate the effects of traditional Fujifilm films. Some of these include Velvia, Provia and Astia. For keen movie makers, Fujifilm has also developed the Mic ST1, an external stereo microphone to enhance audio when recording video with the X20. Lastly, the X20 will be available in both black and a two-tone black and silver finish, like the pre-production sample we've been taking a look at in this first look video.
So there we go, we've taken a look at some of the latest features of Fujifilm's X20. Be sure to check back to whatdigitalcamera.com for all the latest pricing and availability information.